Hello friends, hello students. Now we start question number 9 for short sum. So in question number 9 it is given that Mukesh, Dhaval and Vinod are the partners of a partnership firm. Their capital proportion is 4 to 3. So in this case capital proportion is given. So it is not a profit and loss ratio. Okay, it is capital proportions. So there is no need of this capital proportion when we solve these sums. Okay. Dhaval and Vinod has given assurance to Mukesh that he will get minimum 35,000 from the profit. So it means that he must get 35,000 minimum profit. If 35,000 is not received, the remaining partners Dhaval and Vinod has given the remaining amount. So profit of the year is 90,000. So 90,000 is the profit is given, but ratio is not given. So it should be divided into three partners equally, 30, 30 and 30. How would you distribute the profit amongst the partners? So in this case you have to show the profit is distributed to the partners by which way. Okay. So minimum profit must get Mukesh by 35,000. If it not receive 35,000, the difference amount is given by Dhaval and Vinod. So how will receive the amount by each partners? Now we'll see that. Now first of all, three partners Mukesh, Dhaval and Vinod. So in question number 9, that Mukesh, Dhaval and Vinod, three partners. Now here, profit of the firm, that is 90,000. And this 90,000 is divided into 1:1:1 ratio. So here is amount is 30,000. Here amount is 30,000. And here amount is 30,000. Now see here, Mukesh must receive 35,000. But in this case, he is not received 35,000. So amount difference is 5,000. So 5,000 is given by Dhaval and Vinod. Okay. So this 5,000 is given by Dhaval and Vinod in the ratio 1:1. So we get 5,000 and this 5,000 is divided into 1:1. So amount is 2500, 2500. So 2500 is given by Dhaval and 2500 is given by Vinod. So total profit of the firm, Mukesh now will get 35,000 according to agreement. So now Dhaval will get 30,000 minus 2500, that is 27,500, and 30,000 minus 2500 amount is 27,500. So this is the sum number 9 is now finished. Okay. Condition is that the 35,000 must received by the Mukesh. Remaining amount 5,000 is given by remaining partners in equal proportion, because in this case proportion is not given. So profit is divided between the partners equally. Okay. So now we go for next sum, and that is the question number 10. The closing capital of Raghuveer is 80,000, in which rupees 12,500 drawing of the current year and profit is 70,800 are recorded. What will be interest at 6% per annum on the opening capital? Now see here, closing capital is given here, drawing is given here, profit is given here. Okay, we are finding first of all the opening capital. Okay. So that is now question number 10. So all of you know that this is a capital account. Now here is opening balance. Okay, opening balance is here. Here is profit, interest on capital, salary, whatever we received, it is recorded on credit side. Okay, here is drawing. And here is closing balance of capital. Okay. Now this amount is given. Drawing is given. Profit is given. Opening capital is not given. You have to find it. Okay. So start with this amount, closing capital. So drawing is added here because it is on same side. So that's why drawing is added here. And profit is minus from this amount. So we'll get the opening capital. Okay. So now we start. That is the closing capital, and closing capital is given, and amount is rupees. Closing capital of Raghuveer, that is 80,000. So closing capital is 80,000 is given here. Now next amount is, that is the drawing. So drawing should be added here to closing capital. So plus drawing, because we go like this way. So drawing is added. Now this, when we comes this side, this amount is minus, so we will get this amount. Okay, so that's why drawing is added here. So here drawing amount is rupees 12,500. So put here amount 12,500 is the amount here. So when we add this amount, value is that is a 92,500. Next one, that is the amount is given, and next amount is given, and that is the profit. So profit is on credit side, so she should minus from this amount. So divisible profit is given, and that is a 17,800. Okay, this profit is known as divisible profit, not a profit. Okay, so 0 0 here, that is a 92500. 92500 minus 17,800, value is 74700. Okay, now this is your opening capital. On opening capital, calculate interest on capital, and that is a 6%. Okay, so here capital, opening capital amount is 74700. Interest on capital, that is a 74700 into amount is rupees, percentage is 6%. So into 6%, value is 4482. That is interest on capital, that is a 4482. Okay, so like this way you have to calculate interest on capital when opening capital is not given, and by mistake it is not calculate interest on capital. So by this way you have to find the first of all opening capital, and after that you have to find here interest on capital. Now we go for next sum, and that is question number 11. Now question number 11 here is given, that is a A, B and C are partners sharing profit and loss in the equal proportion. Their total capital is of 4,50,000. Their proportion of capital 132. First pay interest on capital 9% per annum. Partner C has received 75,500 including interest on capital. Determine the amount payable including interest on capital A and B. So in this case, capital is given, interest rate of interest on capital is given. Partner C, interest on capital and profit is received. Okay, profit and loss ratio is not given, so we take here equally. Okay, now you have to find the amount received by A and B, interest and divisible profit. How much divisible profit and interest received by A and B, you have to find that. Okay, so question number 11 now. In question number 11, three partners, that is Mr. A, B and C. So here first of all capital is given. Capital amount is 4,50,000. On 4,50,000, ratio is given, and that is a 1:3:2 is ratio is given. So 4,50,000 amount is given into 1 divided by 3 plus 3 6. So here amount is 75,000 for partner A. For partner B, now see here 45,000, 4,50,000, 4 divided by 6, value is 75,000. Now 75,000 into 3, that is amount is 2,25,000. So put it here 2,25,000. For partner C, 75,000 into 2, value is 1,50,000. So 1,50,000. Okay. So now here 4,50,000 divided by 6, value is 75,000. So 75 ones are, that is 75, 75 threes are 2,25,000, and 75 twos are 1,50,000. This is the interest, that is capital of ABC. Now interest on capital, that is given here, that is 9%. Okay, so write it here, interest on capital. interest on capital on 75,000, 5%, 9% amount is 6750. On 2,25,000 into 9%, value will be here 20,250. For partner C, 1,50,000 into 9%, value is 13,500. Now here profit. You have to find your profit of C, because here partner C is 73,500 is given, divisional profit plus interest on capital is given. So here we put here, that is a 73,500 is the total amount is received by partner C, including this profit. So 7,500 minus this amount, value is 60,000. So here 60,000 is received profit by Mr. C. So profit and loss ratio is not given. So when profit and loss ratio is not given, according to partnership law, the profit is divided between all the partners is equally. So Mr. C gets 60,000. It means that B also gets 60,000 and A is also gets 60,000. So you have to add these two amount. Okay. So here amount is 66,750 received by A, and in this case if we add this amount, that is 6 plus 2 8, 80,250 is amount received by partner B. So A is received by this and B is received by this. So here now question number 11 is finished. Okay. Now next sum is in next video. Thanks a lot.